Hello, little hackers. My name is JJ, and today I have a
really special
video of PGX FOIA. Today, little hackers, will be a day to remember.
I will teach you the way
Of iperf3, or you can call it as well iperf. By the way, little hackers, did you know what iperf is? Because I had no clue. So iperf is a tool that features a measure of TCP bandwidth and UDP jitter and delay among other characteristics. The only thing you have to do is to search this website and go to the download section and click the link.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Mom, someone's hacking me. So once you have downloaded iperf, you just need to extract it on the desktop, and you will see why. The next thing we have to do is to open the cmd command line and find iperf, which you should have on the desktop. So you have to find the desktop directory on the cmd and make sure you are there. Once you are there, we have to write the iperf3.x-s, and you will see now that the firewall actually pops up, asking you to open some ports to listen to iperf. So now that the server is on, it is our time, little hackers. That is what we've waited for. All this time wanted to become the man, the legend, the only one that can use iperf to send garbage to people that you don't like. Ha! Suck it, haters!
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. It's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. Pokemon.
Jordi, a sopar.
Shut up, Mom!